Alright, so this is a quick test of a new keyboard. This is the Varmilo MA104C. It's a brand new keyboard from the company Varmilo that has one specific feature. Instead of being a mechanical keyboard that is normally using the Cherry MX key switches, this keyboard has their very own homegrown key switches. So as mechanical switches go, they are basically noisier. The feeling is much better. So if you are into mechanical keyboards, this is something different. It's not exactly a Cherry MX red switch, but it's something very close. So if you know the feeling and if you like what you usually have for a Cherry MX, this is a different take on the same subject. So being the first one of this line, basically it's a full-size keyboard. There were plans to do a bunch of other models in the future. This model comes out next March. The advertised price will be about $10 to $15 US extra on top of their existing keyboards with Cherry MX key switches. So people kept asking on Reddit, how is the sound? What is the feeling? So in terms of feeling, it's very similar to a Cherry MX red. So it's a linear switch in terms of feeling. In terms of technology, it's very different. Instead of being the regular Cherry MX style, this one is an electrocapacitive mechanism, meaning that there's actually electricity going between two metal prongs, and that's what triggers the key switch itself. So there's no physical contact, so there's no point of contact where basically your keyboard could get sticky if you drop soda on the keyboard. It's not waterproof per se, because the board itself is not, but the longevity will be much more increased, and you will be able to rock this keyboard for a very long time. So I'm going to demonstrate you next the sound of the keyboard, and I'm going to compare it to another keyboard I have on hand, which is a Leopold FC660m. So let's get to it.